All right, let's get. This is. All right. Turn on the copter. Turn on the remote. Wait for. Oh. I guess we do the compass first. I don't know if you're supposed to do the compass first or the compass second. Let's go ahead and see what we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. Now we just stand back and wait. So we got GPS on it. We'll come back in a minute. We did our calibration. The remote says everybody's good to go. And let's find out if we're completely crazy or not. I'm going to take off in normal mode, simply because I know I was having some issues before. I go into GPS mode, and as you can see, it goes crazy. Without that GPS mode on, it seems to fly quite well. Altitude hold does seem to kind of work, sorta. I got something going on, I don't know. Okay, so that didn't work. That didn't work as well as I hoped it would work. But if I take it in auto takeoff, let's see what happens. GPS mode, auto takeoff. Ready to recover. Okay. Let's try to recalibrate now that it's got satellites and see if that makes any difference if we calibrate after the GPS lock is on. There we go. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Didn't do that before. Come on, turn off, turn off. Well, I guess that's what the nuts are for, isn't it? Let's try taking off manually. It seems to do better manually. In the normal mode. Now I've used the software and calibrated everything to 0, and it seems to work fine. I just can't get that. Alright, let's try the different remote. Because maybe it's the remote. I don't think so. Trying the second remote, we must now bind it. We're now bound with this remote. That's quite easy to do, actually. And what we'll do is we'll just wait a minute till I got GPS lock. Oh, boy, it got quick on the drone that time. Seems like forever. Seems like the other remote gets the... When I'm using the other remote, the remote gets the GPS quicker than this one, but it's hard to say. So let's try this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm hoping that's better this time, but we're still going to take off in the manual mode. Okay. Got some shaking. Alright, we're going to put it in GPS. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. GPS lock on. And that's not good. That's definitely not good. The GPS module must be bad. It's reading, but... That wasn't too bad a landing, considering all the problems that I'm having. Alright, I hope somebody can tell me some solutions. When the GPS is on, it just won't hold. It just flips. It's kind of unstable here too, but I mean, at least it's almost flyable. The altitude hold does work a little bit, and it doesn't drop out of the air. It sure is wobbly. GPS on. And the longer I sit, and I'm not near anything metal. And I can fly it as a regular drone. Should be in headless mode right now. Nope, nope, no, no, no headless mode. Alright, alright, alright. Come, recover, recover, recover. Quit spinning it. There needs to be a better auto kill on the thing. I mean, a quicker kill than just, because you just, I mean, there has to be a dead switch. Okay. Alright, I don't see any difference really to speak about between the two different remotes. This remote was one bought off of eBay. with some bad that I took two and put together. This is my original remote that I bought, and I know it works good with the other, with Alpha. Let's rebind this one. Cool. Oh, okay, well. So we're going to start out 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't know if I got enough on there or not. What if I'm going to start that over? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. No, something's... Alright. Shut it off and turn it back on. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Alright, there. On 4 it changes colors. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And I think that means I'm back good. I should be good. But, as you will see again, I'll take off in normal, because if I take off in GPS, auto takeoff, and nothing. Now it's doing that, and I'm not even in. Oh, crap. Crap. I wasn't in GPS mode that time. The grass is just a little wet, I guess. Not the best time to find. I love the idea of the GPS and the return and all that. Normal mode. I don't do the auto takeoff. She seems to work pretty good. Well, guess we'll see what we can see.